At Scale Selling, we are committed to challenging the status quo for businesses and self-employed individuals of all types looking to enhance their digital marketing strategies. Our team provides a full-time dedicated project manager that will have a weekly digital marketing strategy session with you to review everything we're doing and give you updates, along with a range of digital marketing services such as branding, website creation or tweaks, consistent SEO efforts, press releases, and the creation of high-quality content tailored to your business needs and goals. We understand the importance of delivering the highest ROI for our clients. After all, if marketing isn't helping you scale sales, what's the point? Which is why we use the amount of leads you're getting and the sales you're making as a benchmark to ensure success. All of our digital marketing services are designed with ROI in mind and to help you make more sales. Hence our brand name, Scale Selling. Our local and trusted agency cares about your bottom line more than anything, and we work tirelessly to help you achieve your marketing goals and boost your business success. Whether you need help with SEO, online advertising, email marketing, CRM, funnels, or any other aspect of digital marketing, we are here to help you get the results that you need.